Can I sell my home as is? The answer is yes. Although not particularly ideal, as buyers love a move-in ready home, we do have vendors and a selling strategy in place to assist with this type of sale. We recommend having a pre-inspection to offer a buyer, as well as quotes from various vendors of what work needs to be done and how much it would cost. This allows a buyer to know full well what they're walking into and able to make an educated and quick decision without dragging you along. So yes, you can sell your home as is, and we have these strategies in place to serve you in that endeavor. It would be the joy of our team to serve you. Please contact us at bockrealtygroup.com or call us at 979-325-2134.